Equipment deals have a 2021 model T-740 Bobcat. Got a little over 3,700 hours on it. Nice tracks, nice bucket. All the cylinders are free from leaks. Runs really pretty good. It's got some nice paint on it. Sprockets are in good shape as well. Nice tracks. Undercarriage. Sprockets are in good shape. Just want to maintain these pretty well, guys. Nice clean oil, guys. Runs pretty clean. All the sheet metal straight on it. Not all bashed in. 2021 year model T-740. It's not a high flow standard flow unit. It is equipped to have a quick coupler if you wanted one, but does not have one currently. Without further ado, I'll give you a quick little operations video and show you this unit in action. As you can see, guys, the machine runs and works as it's supposed to. All the cylinders are free of any leaks. Got some good tracks on it, guys. Same with the undercarriage. Undercarriage in good shape, and the sprockets are in good shape. Guys, it's a pretty clean unit. It's got nice paint on it. Be a nice machine to go put right back on the job site. Go right back to work with it. It is retail ready. Again, this is on the 2021 Bobcat T-740. With 3,700 hours on it, guys. 3,700 hours. So if you're interested in this unit, please give us a call. 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ deals. Thank you.